Hello YouTube, this is Tinker's Tinkery and I'm your host, Golden Tinker. This is an introductory video to my channel, what it's about, and explain where I'd like to be. First of all, I want this to be a little journal that showcases the beginnings of my DIY experience, fixing up my car, maintaining it, and along with this knowledge gained, I want to share this knowledge in hopes to spark interest for anyone else who comes across this to try it out themselves. I'm starting off with my daily driver. It's a 2020 Subaru Impreza, a hatchback sport. And I'm starting off very simple with projects, and I hope to ramp up difficulty as I grow. Speaking of growing and progressing, I hope I get to the point where I can go beyond my daily driver and pick up other cars that I've always had interest in. And as you'll see, once you get to my channel page, you're going to see a Honda NSX in the background. That is one of my dream cars, and it would be amazing to have the chance to have that on the show. But one step at a time. Another part of my trajectory of this channel is to improve my skill producing. I have very simple equipment, an iPhone 7, and a simple little mic. I actually hope it does improve the sound quality, but in due time I'll do research, pick up more stuff to get better quality, and also I hope to improve my presentation skills. I'm just being honest, I hope this is my worst video when it comes to presenting. With that being said, I hope to upload soon, and I hope to upload at least 1 or 2 videos a week. One will be showcasing the project in hand, and the second video I hope to go more in depth in what I was thinking while doing the project, whether it's easy or difficult. To make it more personable, I thought it'd be fun to do a joyride on that second video. Just kind of have like a you and me just kind of chatting kind of setting. So I hope to see people and more people show up to the channel and enjoy themselves. And talk to y'all later. Bye.